I'd like you a' to raise a glass with me to my hometown, Dundee. Tae Dundee. To the gangs at each scheme. To the fights of the blue and the tangerine. To the theatre in the middle of the town. Only going if it's the mill lavies and reminds us of our grannies. The mills are closed down, but there's verdant works and they present our city's old worth. But we never saw the cash. Just heard the tales of poor wee aunties gone deaf at the age of 20, nae man taking their fancy, dead at 80 in a tenement in Fintry. The McManus Museum. Nae modern, just a shell of this once prosperous city, but wha doesna love a good bit of history? 'Cause there was whaling, Wales. I guess now there's just Tesco carts down the riverside and a bridge that once fell down with the tide. There's the Cairdy, our hall. The Proclaimers played there once in pretty share, and suffragettes fought with Churchill 'cause they wanted mair. Broughty Ferry is no really Dundee, you see, but they pick and they choose when they want to be. There's a castle that stands proud o'er the sea, but when you go in, there's nothing of what it used to be. Where's all the thrones and jewels that once sat there? Now it's just stuffed seagulls, none of your past evils. There's the West End, but nobody really stays there. Just the students who've no ventured past the Overgate shopping centre. The docks, once rich with ship and with trade, then left to decay for decades, now they're giving millions to a man-made beach in the V&A. The town, our city centre, with its buses and its pubs. It's no at all like Edinburgh. There's no designer shops or fancy George Street clubs. Cheers!